So he's a tattoos man, Apoorva Lakhia.
Come on, Maggie.
But here he needs to get some runs here for Mumbai Heroes.
Well, he's done well. He's really been very impressive, Sudeep, as far as the captaincy goes. Last over from Chandan was absolutely spot on, just conceding 2 runs, picking up 2 very important wickets. That's the reason Bulldozers have really come back in this game very strongly. At one stage, Heroes were really bulldozing, but that last over has changed the complexion of the game, and smiles are returning slowly.
Absolutely, that's because of 2 quick wickets from Chandan.
Come on, Maggie.
Made Bulldozers to keep smiling their faces. That's the one which Nabraj Hans looked to get off the boundary line, but he couldn't do it. It's here, Ajay. If someone, that's the Karnataka's actress Ironita Ray, the famous one.
क्या ज्ञान है आपका, क्या ज्ञान है क्रिकेट के बारे में तो है ही है सुनील, पर जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है उसके बारे में भी कम नहीं है. बहुत जबरदस्त नॉलेज.
Ajay, it has to be, if I'm not from Bangalore, definitely I could recognize my own stars.
मैंने तो कुछ कहा ही नहीं, मैं तो खाली आपकी प्रशंसा कर रहा हूँ. गेंद हवा में और लीजिए एक और कैच. फील्डर वही है, कमाल का यहाँ पे टर्न अराउंड हुआ है. बढ़िया कैच प्रदीप द्वारा, रनिंग कैच पकड़ते हुए, और एक और झटका लगा हीरोज के लिए.
Absolutely, the full buzz of Karnataka Bulldozers camp. You see the flags there. That's because of this. Mahesh, the Maggie man, getting a wicket, and equally a lovely running catch from Pradeep. Brilliant one.
और ये बड़ी विकेट है क्योंकि अपूर्व लाखिया बड़े शॉट्स के लिए जाने जाते हैं. वापस जाते हुए केवल 2 रन बनाए, 82 पे 4. Once again, not able to feel that one, Mahesh. Runs are now not really coming in. Boundaries are just coming in a trickle now. This was the wicket of Apoorva Lakhia. Again, a very good catch, good running catch. Had to run a fair distance, keeping his eyes on the ball. Very nicely taken. Very good anticipation there from Pradeep. And Mahesh is delighted.
Absolutely, that's the cheering from the camp as well. Bulldozers camp. See Raja what can do today. Raja Birwani coming in for Mumbai Heroes at this stage. Need some boundaries.
थोड़ा शवल करते हुए ऑन साइड पे आए, गैप में खेलते हुए राजा भिरवानी स्ट्रोक के साथ अपना खाता भी खोला. पर पिछले अगर आप 2 ओवर की बात करें, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत किफायती ओवर रहे हैं बुलडोजर्स के लिए, और यही कारण है प्रेशर बढ़ता हुआ. एक स्थिति ऐसी थी, मुझे याद है कि अब 48 रन चाहिए थे 24 गेंदों में, और अब 42 चाहिए 13 गेंदों में.